Oh my gosh. I'm glad you like the BGM. Ouch. Wait, I'm about to die. Wait. This is bad. Wait, this is bad. Ooh. Wait, I can't die. What? How? Oh no. Do we have to kill the chicken? First the trees and now the chicken. Oh. Don't look. Don't look. Ah, don't look. There it is. Oh. Don't look. Ah, there's a baby too. That's so sad. This is the worst part of Minecraft. No, we're dead. We're dead. We're alive. Okay. We lived. Okay. Oh. Buckets and a pickaxe. We chillin'. Don't worry. I did my disclaimer, so all is okay, right? Heal me up. I keep missing Kiara's messages. I wish I could see them. What'd she say? Did she say something about the chicken? About the chicken. Wait, is there gravel here? No. I guess maybe we could make like an iron sword, but I can just make a stone one. What's happening? What? I'm scared. I thought I heard lava though, or like fire being extinguished. He's right here. Oh god. He doesn't see me? He sees me? Shoot your shot. Oh no. That does a lot of damage. This is not how you're meant to speedrun. Why does it do so much damage? I shouldn't be here. Oh no. There's so many. No! Well, you know what? We didn't have lava anyway.